Welcome to the Introduction to Brooks Expert Support Tool software. In this video, we will show you how to change the IP address of your SLA Ethernet IP or Profinet device using BEST. Updating the IP address on your SLA device with BEST is simple and fast. Let's walk through the steps to show you how it's done. The first step is to go to Device Config and Protocol Settings. Once you're in that screen, click on the Network Settings tab. Here you'll find the IP address. In my case, it's .175. If I go to the web browser, punch in this IP address, you can see I can connect with no problem. Now let's go back to BEST and let's change the IP address to something different. We'll change it to .25. So change it to .25. You want to make sure you press the Save button. Once you press the Save button, close this screen and you need to reboot the device. Click Reboot Device and wait a couple seconds until it's completed. Once this is completed, it's going to tell you that you should disconnect from BEST and reconnect. So go to the Connection tab, Detach, and now scan again for the device and attach. Now let's go back to Protocol Settings and ensure that our IP address has changed. Let's go back to the web browser, refresh with the .175 address. Here you'll see that we can't connect. Now let's change that to .25, and you can see we can now connect to the device with the new IP address. We hope you found this helpful, and thanks for tuning in.